Alright guys, so now in today's video I want to show us how to fix your curve to your sleeve. Now you remember the first video I made was on the drafting of the bed material, which I told us that was 4.5 inches width by the length of extra 2 to whatever round sleeve you have. Now having known that, now the collar gun was cut at 1.5 inch extra, leaving half inch for the both sides closure. Then I had to cut it in this slash form just to give it a fine finishing, right? Then I threaded all through, and then you will now turn out your curve in this form. Then having seen this, now the next you will do as well is to make sure you bring out the edges properly. Then after that, then you must have locked your sleeve of your customer. Then the round sleeve measurement I have was 8, that's by 4. You have by 2, you have 4 extra 1, right? That was where I did my joining. Then the elbow measurement was applied here, and the fist measurement as well. The bicep measurement was applied here, the elbow and the wrist, right? So then after that, now the next I will do is to fix this to this, right? Then let's see how we're gonna start. So you're going to start from the ending, from the closure of this, the part that has the closure. That's where the joining of the side closure is, right? Then after that, then pick up that placket that is close to the end, the side closure, then insert it half an inch inside this way. Then make sure you lap it properly from that beginning point. Then open up your inseam allowance, right? You must have weaved that part before you start fixing. Then insert it half an inch underneath the curve, right? Then stitch, and then stitch at the tip, right? Stitch at the tip. Then make sure you insert it half an inch inside, because half an inch was what we used in the drafting, right? So then the moment you must have surpassed the midpoint of the curve, then you drag the end of the curve to go inside the placket, or the end of the sleeve rather, to go inside the curve this way. Then from the center line of the outfit, you hold it that point, and then you pleat. The pleating should come towards the direction and not towards the sleeve. The pleating should fold towards your direction, right? So you make sure it's properly tucked in that way, and then you stitch all through from there, right? So stitch all through from there, stitch all through from there, and then that is how your curve can be simply fixed. So let me show you the result we have here. So this is how you fix your curve in a very nice and simple way, right? So you can as well try this method and tell me the results. For some of us that are new with this method, look at how fine our curve fixing, how fine it is. So you can now remove the threads underneath, remove the threads all through this way, right? This is how the threads are being removed, right? So you make sure this is how your curve will be. Then you now top stitch. Now the top stitching is to as well give it a more finishing effect this way. So top stitch from the tip this way, and then go all through right round the sleeve, the curve this way. Go all through right round here, go all through right round here, from beginning to the end, go all through this way. Then when you must have gotten to this point, so the next you will do now will be for your fixing of this to the main bodies of your outfit, and then you make sure you must have done the second one before you start fixing this to the body of your senator. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video will go a long way to give you more insight and more inspirations on how to go about your curve running. Then the ironing, you will iron from the side joining this way, and then this is how your curve can be simply fixed with your single placket method, right? So this is the second one I have already done. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.